you will find students that in poem Voice of the Unwanted Girl, how in the first stanza the poet at the start, at the outset, has put up the problem of an unborn girl child, and the situation is of a city, that is Mumbai city, which is known to be the most modern, popular, economically forward city. But here also we find that this mother has gone to a hospital to abort the unborn girl child. So at the outset the poet has put up the problem, and the child, we can almost feel the pain of the unborn child when the child says, no one wanted to touch me, except later in the autopsy room. What is that autopsy room? Where a person who is dead, then you open up the parts of the body to find out the cause of the death. So no one wanted to touch me except later in the autopsy room, when the doctors and their team knew my mouth would not search for anything. So a small child, an infant child, when born, what does that child need? The suckling of the milk from the mother, but that lips, they were now no more moving. They would not find for anything because the doctors had given the injection. So this is actually the poet is trying to just speak on behalf of that unborn girl child. She is imagining a situation that if that child could speak, that unborn child, what would be her feelings? What would be the feelings, the emotions of that child who has not been allowed to take birth? She also wanted, she had the desire to be wanted. So this is the worst feeling which anybody can have if that child would have lived, that no one wants me. And so again and again this line is repeated throughout, no one wanted me, no one wanted me. And when they knew my mouth would not search for anything, and my head could be measured and bent, cut apart. So because in order to find out, in an autopsy, the doctors cut the different parts of the body, they would cut the head to find out. So here the use of the simile, what did the head look like? I looked like a sliced pomegranate. What is pomegranate? Which fruit is this? Anar. So have you seen a pomegranate cut open? It has all red seeds in it, and just like the head, our head, it is like, you can imagine it to be. So the poet has compared the open pomegranate with the head of the newborn child, that if you open it you will find blood. So the poet has compared by using a simile the cut head of the newborn child with a sliced pomegranate, because when it opens this fruit, it will be all red inside like the blood of a cut head. The fruit you never touched. So just she compares it that you never held me in your arms. Mother, I am the one you sent away when the doctor told you I would be a girl, your second girl. So in the second stanza the poet is emphasizing on another problem, that why her killing had become important, because she was not only a girl but a second girl, and the parents did not want a second girl. They might have tolerated the birth of the first child as a girl child, but the second one has no chance to live. So this reflects the very horrifying situation, very problematic condition in our society about the gender bias, where girls are not wanted. Afterwards, as soon as you could, you put on your grass green sari, the orange stems of the parijatak blossoms glistened in your hair. So now this is reflecting, these last three lines are talking about the attitude of the mother. For the mother it was a simple operation, which when was over, for her everything was over, and like she came, she was wearing a green sari and she got up and had no feelings were reflected. Afterwards everyone smiled. Look at the painful and the most horrifying words used here. The smile here is of after the murder of someone. So everybody is happy that the work is done. And what is the thought of that child? That everybody is smiling when I have gone? But now I ask you, so what is the question in the heart of that child who is not yet born? To look for me, mother. Look for me, because I won't come to you in your dreams. Look for me, mother. Look, because I won't become a flower. I won't turn into a butterfly, and I am not a part of anyone's song. So you have destroyed the birth of a child, which is compared to the birth of a flower, to the birth of a butterfly comes from a caterpillar. So a caterpillar, if it is killed, it will not turn into a butterfly. So you have stopped the bee from coming to life. Just like I will not become a dream. I am no more, so I will not come into your dreams. And I am not part of anyone's song, because I am no more, so nobody will sing a lullaby to me. A child is born, then you sing rhymes for that children. Look, mother, look for the place where you have sent me. Where has the mother sent the child? To the world of dead. Look for the unspeakable. Unspeakable, the voice of the unwanted girl. So the unwanted girl has, what is the voice of that girl? So look for the unspeakable. Unspeakable, somebody who is not allowed to speak. For the place that can never be described. This is the general English class. Hello? Haan ji sir.